It's September, our anniversary box is here for you at Wax+Wraps. Let's see what's inside the box, all the pieces you're going to get for this month. So exciting. For this month's project, we are making a duffel bag, a holiday bag with all the trips people are taking at the moment. The duffel bag is going to be perfect for that quick weekend getaway or something a little bit longer. But let's see all the fabrics and everything you're going to get for this month. So this beautiful fabric here is a wax print fabric. It's coming from Ghana because this month is focused on Ghana. You can see the beautiful print, the color. This is going to be perfect for your duffel bag. And the lining here, which is a poplin fabric, which will sit quite nicely with the cotton wax print, 100% cotton wax print. We love to give you a bit of a treat, so we do offer these wax print pencils that you're going to get your own one. If you're collecting them, then this is going to be a great one. You can see the swallows, traditional swallows design there, the typical wax print there design. You're going to get the zipper for your bag. You're going to get the tape. This is a webbing tape, which is going to be for the handles of your bag. You're going to be getting some bias binding also for your bag, and the thread that you can use, the black thread, to match everything. And of course you're going to get the pattern, which is an easy pattern to make up your bag. And here's our little gift as well, because I just love to be able to treat you. You're getting your own little board, cutting board for this month box, so you can get enjoying that with all the pieces, the cutting board, the pattern, the pencil, the everything else, all the trimmings, all the notions that you need are inside your Wax+Wraps box. So come on, let's have fun with print, because we are no ordinary subscription box. We are a Wax+Wraps subscription box. Okay, so now with the binding, I always put the edge along the seam that you just stitch together, and then you will fold this over, and it will fold back and have a band opening the whole way. So this is the main body, and it's going to have a nice little edge detail to it. So when you finish doing the binding, this is how it should look. Should be overlaid a little bit. It should be overlaid a little bit and ready to turn over now and flip onto the other side at a later stage. And here we just pinned in place the webbing tape and made sure to turn up the bias binding underneath this. We're going to flip over it, and then just follow the instructions of how to position in place, and making sure that the handles are hanging over at the edge. And then now we're going to stitch it all down. So ready? Let's do this. So you can see we've gone one way, then did the first diagonal, and now just finishing off with the last diagonal there. It's good to see now it's all starting to come together, the straps are in, and it's forming a bag shape. So let's go to the stage. And just following the instructions, just put the zip in there as well, in these two sections, and then this will be attached to the main body of the bag as well. So these are the zip cord tags. Now the best way to edge stitch these things is to follow not the needle, but follow the position on the foot or on the side or on the machine the guidelines, because if you follow the needle you're probably going to go off, but if you follow the position on the guideline, that's going to be able to help you, or somewhere on the machine or somewhere on the foot position, then you'll get that correct. So you can see I've lined this fabric up with the little metal position, little groove in the foot, so it's lined up to that. So when my needle goes down, then you can see that groove position is at the edge of the fabric. I just need to keep along that to sew. Yeah, it's all coming together. Here it is. The top piece and the main body piece, and then we've got to put the ends together, and then we'll slip the top in and finish the binding, and it's nearly done. It's coming to life, isn't it gorgeous? So now it's getting all exciting, because we've got the zip pull here, we've got the extra webbing tape there. Let's put it together and let's finish up. And here we go. So the binding has been made now and completed, and just going to turn it all inside out. So that little gap is there to turn it inside out, and you can see the full bag in its full entity. Let's go. So make your orders today at waxandwraps.com, and we'll see you in a box at a house near you.